Today, we'll explain what a global eSIM is and how it helps you stay connected almost anywhere in the world. A global eSIM is a digital SIM card that works across many countries and continents, all with a single plan. Unlike a local or regional eSIM, a global eSIM is designed for travelers who visit multiple regions on the same trip. When you install a global eSIM, your phone automatically connects to local partner networks in each country, so you don't have to switch SIM cards or buy separate plans. Global eSIMs are perfect for frequent travelers, business trips, and long journeys. They help you avoid high roaming charges, save time, and stay online with just one installation. Most global eSIMs cover over 80 or even 100 countries, including popular destinations in Europe, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. You can purchase a global eSIM online. After buying, you'll receive a QR code or activation details by email. Just scan it to install and start using your data plan right away. Before purchasing, always check which countries are included, the data limits, the validity period of your plan. Now you know what a global eSIM is and how it can make traveling across the world easier.